What's the meaning of coffee cake? Coffee cake. Coffee cake.
Coffee cake. Coffee cake. Coffee cake is a type of cake that is intended to be eaten alongside a cup of coffee. It typically has a soft texture and a buttery, cinnamon flavor, and often includes streusel or crumb toppings. Coffee cake is a popular breakfast or brunch item and can be served warm or cold. It is a versatile dish that can be made using a variety of ingredients, such as nuts, fruits, chocolate, or cream cheese. Overall, coffee cake is a delicious and comforting treat that pairs well with a hot cup of coffee.